time, but after it future continuous tense.
Okay. Now please follow him. Future continuous tense.
Future continuous tense expression to express action at a particular moment in the future. The action will have started before that moment, but it will not have finished at that time. Construction: subject plus auxiliary verb will plus auxiliary verb be plus main verb ing. For example, she will be watching TV and he will be cooking dinner. When I arrive at the party, everybody will be celebrating. Some will be dancing.
That's it. Okay, it was too short, too quick, but you elaborated well. So future continuous, when in future you are in the middle of doing something, like he will be sleeping. What does that mean? वो सो रहा होगा. It's your guess. She will be studying. वो पढ़ रही होगी. It's that. Thank you. Right. Next.